So why does Mercie J suggest that you service your radiator or your engine coolant on a regular basis? I'm Rick Smith. Thanks for watching. Okay, so your cooling system, which includes a number of things, so it's a coolant or radiator fluid or antifreeze, whatever you want to call it, that's what keeps your engine cool. It also circulates inside the car to a part called the heater core, and that's how you get heat in the winter time when you're trying to warm the cabin of the car up. Now, we have hoses, gaskets, the radiator, the heater core, all the engine components that coolant is protecting. So not only does it keep it cool, but it also has anti-corrosion things to it. Over time, that can develop some acids, and it can also actually start to conduct electricity. It's called electrolysis, and all those things can wreak havoc on your car. Now, there's going to be a lot of discussion on how often you should do it. Some of the labels you might even see under the hood say every 150,000 miles, but most of the stuff I've seen, the small print says don't go over 5 years. So what we really suggest to really maintain your car and keep that well is do the first service within the 5 years or 50,000 miles. And then after that, about every 3 years or 36,000 miles. And you will really save yourself a lot of headaches. The biggest expenses that our clients see are due to damage to the engine from a lack of service of the cooling system. And it needs to be done right with the right products. So make sure that it gets done properly. I hope this has been informational to you. Till next time, safe travels and blessings to you.